My essential oils is ready. So this has been soaking for about, oh my gosh, maybe 3-4 weeks. So now what I'm doing is I'm getting it ready to go into the bottle. So I'm getting it ready to go into the bottle. So I put it in the jar and we're catching all of the stuff. And it smells amazing. So it smells real amazing. Smells so good. So make sure I squeeze everything. And this is the essential oils that I have left from. Oh my God, it smells amazing. This is raspberry. It's raspberry. So now that I have that, I'm going to take this and I'm going to store it in this bottle. So this is raspberry fragrance oil. So smells amazing. So if you guys want to make them essential oils, get your sweet almond oil, guys. Some potpourri. I did a little bit of cinnamon and raspberry, and it smells amazing, guys. So yes, it is ready. Oh, smells amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. This is all of the oils that I am making, guys. So they're all sitting here. You guys remember this one? But yeah, these is all of my oils that I'm making, and the longer I let them sit, the better and potent it be. So I just put them in a box, guys, and then I cover them and slide them because they need to be in a dark, cool spot. So I put it in here, guys, all of my oils, cover it up, and then when they're ready to, for me to use them, I put them in other bottles and they be ready to use. But they smell so amazing, guys. Like I've been, making them, and they smell so amazing. I just recycle jars, guys. So if you guys got old jars like this, make your own essential oils and just store them. And yeah, and then too, like some of them I put the potpourri in it and it makes it more potent as well. So, and then just remember the same process y'all seen me do to make sure that none of the potpourri is in your oils. You put the cheesecloth or silk cloth and you catch all of the residue. So yes, this, oh God, it just smells so amazing. So all the oils, and the longer I let them sit, the more potent it is. So I'll be making perfume and cologne soon. Alrighty.